Hi guys, I'm Bharti Puri this side and welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I will be talking about the Figaro olive oil. So this Figaro olive oil, I have been using it non-stop, like religiously since over a month now, and I'm really loving how my hair feels. Basically, I like to use this olive oil by this brand before I go for my shower and conditioning routine. So basically what I do is just 1 hour before I wash my hair, I apply this and I massage it all over my scalp and just leave it on for at least minimum half an hour, and then I go for my usual shower, conditioning, basic stuff. So basically this olive oil by Figaro brand, I've really been obsessing over it. I'm really loving it and I'm going to tell you why. I've started using this non-stop religiously since over a month now. I like to apply this at least maximum twice a week, and whenever I go for my shampoo and conditioning, I like to first apply this, massage it all over my scalp and leave it on for at least minimum half an hour, and then I go for the usual shampoo and conditioning. And I really like how my hair feels. My hair feels super soft, well conditioned, and my scalp doesn't feel irritated. So I really like that. So before I apply this, I like to mix 1 capsule of the vitamin E. I like to mix it with a little bit of this olive oil by Figaro, and I just heat it for 30 seconds in the microwave, and then I just like to apply it section by section on my scalp, and I really like how my hair feels after that. Usually I feel olive oil, they all are the same, I mean, price point, and there's no guarantee that you're going to find 100% pure olive oil. But there's something about the Figaro brand I really like because it's been there for so many years. So it feels nostalgic when I actually start using this or see the packaging. I really like the packaging. This is the packaging, it's very vintage and I really like it, and it's cute. And I've lost count how many times I always end up going for the Figaro olive oil. Even my father is a big fan of the Figaro olive oil. He also loves to use it, and this is something that you can not only use it for your hair purpose, but you can apply it on your skin. You can even use it for cooking. So it's a multi-purpose olive oil, and it's not important that you only use it for your hair or your body. You can even use it for cooking. Massaging the hair and scalp with olive oil improves blood flow to the hair follicles, and follicles are in turn stimulated to grow thicker strands of hair, thereby doubling hair growth. Olive oil is great for moisturizing the scalp, and it prevents dandruff, which is the main cause of hair fall. Olive oil is also rich in omega-3 acids and other nutrients that are essential for overall health, including hair health. When applied directly to the scalp and hair, olive oil helps promote thicker hair. Olive oil also has the added benefit of softening the hair and relieving dry scalp. So it's been over a month now that I have been using olive oil all over my hair, especially my scalp area. Whenever I apply any kind of oil, I focus more on my scalp first, and then whatever leftover oil is there, I apply it all over my hair, and I make sure to massage my scalp for a long period of time, at least like minimum 10 minutes by myself, and then leave it on for 30 minutes, the oil on my hair, and then I just go for my shampoo conditioning routine. And it's been over a month now I have been using this oil, and I really like how my scalp feels moisturized. So I don't have that irritating itchy problem if I'm going out in the sun, and I don't see any dandruff because I'm regular at it, especially during the winters. Also I will regular at applying oiling my hair, any kind of oil actually. But since I've started using olive oil for more than a month or so regularly, I really like the difference I'm seeing. I can feel that my hair is much softer, well conditioned, and that way when I feel that it's well conditioned, I don't feel like applying more hair conditioner. So that way I'm kind of saving by using less hair conditioner because I already feel that my hair feels well conditioned. Along with that, the hair kind of it gives that look of thicker hair, and I've been getting less hair fall also, which I'm pretty happy about. And regarding the less hair fall part, I have been regular at taking my multivitamins as well, and I've been trying to eat my vegetables also, my green vegetables. So I feel that's also the main reason of having less hair fall. But I've noticed some significant difference when I started using the olive oil for my hair and scalp. So as you can see, I really like how thick it feels and it looks shiny as well. So I like that. Please excuse the white hair though, because I'm kind of lazy when it comes to coloring my hair. It's been like so long, I haven't really colored my hair. It's been more than a year or so. But other than that, I'm really liking how thick my hair feels, and yeah, I'm now a big fan of applying olive oil all over my scalp. So I highly recommend you guys to try it out if you haven't. And when it comes to hair care, you have to really be patient and at least give minimum 3 months to see any kind of result. Either if you're having multivitamins or if you have changed your diet and start eating more green stuff, which is important. Stay well hydrated. Along with that, apply the usual stuff like the olive oil and all that jazz, and give it at least 3 months to see some kind of result. Don't be in a hurry. You will not notice any big difference in 1 or 2 weeks, but at least after a month or so or 3 months later, you're going to find a big difference, and you're going to be happy of all that hard work that you do in order to take care of your hair. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine, and I hope it was useful for you all. In case you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below what you think about this video, and if you also like olive oil for your hair care or whatever, or any kind of favorite oil for the hair, just let me know. I would love to try new products as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.